Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about Kuwait Duik top reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. Also, if you want to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So, please stay tuned with us. Also, people from the United Kingdom and Canada are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any part of the video. Now we'll discuss about this website. So this website is an online shopping store which deals with different kind of products. They offer outdoor products, equipments, accessories, and many other products. So if you're interested in checking them out, you have to visit to their official website. Next, we're going to talk about the other details. So first, we'll check their payment method. So here they've given it. You can pay through PayPal. Next, we're going to check the shipping policy. So here they have given the order, the processing timing, and also the shipping timing. So the processing timing takes 48 hours and the free shipping timing takes 7 to 10 days. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now talking about the domain information, this website was registered on 26th of October 2021 and it is going to expire on 26th of October 2022, which means it is a newly formed website and hence it can't be trusted. Now let's check their about us details. So here as you can see, when it comes to their about us details, they have given their business establishment here. But they have not given any information regarding their founder identity or about the company. So next we are going to check the contact details. So here as you can see, they have only provided the email address, but they have not given their full contact details, which is another drawback. Also, the email address name does not match the domain name, which is another drawback of this website. Now talking about the social media presence of this website. So we have checked and we have found out that this website actually does not have any social media presence at all, which is a negative sign of this website. Now let's check the return and refund policy. So here as you can see, they do have a return policy information, but they have not given their return timing. And about the refund, they have said that they will issue a refund to original mode of payment within a month. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the Kuwait Duik top reviews, we didn't find any single customer review of this website anywhere. Also, the Trust Index score of this website is only 1% and the business trust ranking is only 0.9%, which is very low and poor. And the content quality also seems to be totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the Kuwait Duik top reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. It is a very new website. It does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, they haven't provided their full and genuine contact details and the trust score is very poor. So it is a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment about your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.